Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the latest and greatest cars on the market. Today I have a very special treat for you. The 2023 Audi RS 7P780, a wild and wicked version of the already impressive RS 7 Sportback. This car is not for the faint of heart, as it has been tuned by Mansory, a famous German company that specializes in modifying luxury and supercars. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so amazing. First of all, let's talk about the engine. The RS 7P780 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a whopping 780 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That's an increase of 159 horsepower and 210 newton-meters over the standard RS 7, which is already very fast. The P780 can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reach a top speed of over 320 kilometers per hour. That's faster than some supercars, and this is a four-door hatchback sedan we're talking about. But it's not just about the power, it's also about the sound. The P780 has a sport exhaust system that makes the V8 roar like a lion. You can hear it from miles away, and it will make your neighbors jealous or angry depending on how you look at it. The sound is so addictive that you'll want to rev it up every time you start the car. The P780 also has some visual upgrades that make it stand out from the crowd. The car has a carbon fiber body kit that includes a new front bumper, side skirts, rear diffuser, and spoiler. The car also has a blacked-out grille, headlights, taillights, and badges. The car rides on 22-inch forged alloy wheels with summer performance tires that fill up the swollen fenders. The car looks aggressive and menacing, like a comic book villain with a lot of style. The interior of the P780 is also very luxurious and high-tech. The car has leather and Alcantara seats with contrast stitching and Mansory logos. The car also has carbon fiber trim on the dashboard, center console, door panels, and steering wheel. The car has a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system that are loaded with features and functions. The car also has a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The P780 is not only fast and furious but also comfortable and practical. The car has an adaptive air suspension system that can adjust the ride height and stiffness according to the driving mode and road conditions. The car also has four-wheel steering and a torque vectoring differential that help it handle better and more nimbly than you would expect from such a heavy car. The car also has plenty of space for passengers and cargo thanks to its hatchback design. The P780 is one of the most impressive cars I've ever driven. It's a beast on the road, but also a beauty to look at and to be in. It's a car that can do it all. Thrill you with its performance, pamper you with its luxury, and surprise you with its practicality. It's not cheap, though. The P780 costs more than $200,000 USD, which is more than an Audi R8 supercar. But if you have the money and the taste for something extraordinary, the P780 might be the perfect car for you. That's it for today's review of the 2023 Audi RS 7P780 by Mansory. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this car and what other cars you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.